Hey folks, welcome to the 30 Days to Learn Adobe After Effects course. My name is Vincent Nguyen, and today in this lesson we're going to be talking about presets within After Effects. So here in After Effects we have a wide range of presets that you can choose from that come built in within After Effects. Now they're called animation presets, and hence the name presets. They're actually presets for effects. So here on the right side here under the Effects and Presets panel, you'll see an animation presets folder on top here. And if we toggle down the switch right here, you can see that we have tons and tons of animation presets ranging from text to sound effects to mojo presets, all these presets that you can choose from, and a whole bunch of transitions that you can choose from built in within After Effects. So these are all pre-made presets, pre-made for you to use in your projects. For an example here, if I search in Pixel Storm, you can see that it's under transition movements. And you can apply a preset the same way you apply an effect by simply either dragging it onto the layer in the composition panel or onto the layer itself. So I'm going to drag it into the presets text right here. And once you drag it in, you can see that we have a really cool, nice animation here. Now, how do presets differ from effects? Now, presets are not effects. Presets are pretty much predefined, preset effects, already animated, parametered, and all that great stuff. So, as you see here, even though the preset is called Pixel Storm, it's actually just a card wipe effect that's already pre-made, preset, all the parameters are already defined, and you already have a nice animation going on. So, pretty much presets are pre-made effects, already animated, already ready to go for you to use in your projects. And don't forget that you have a lot more presets to choose from. Again, you can find them all in the animation presets folder here. So feel free to browse through all these presets, transitions, 3D text, and just play around with all the presets. And then next tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at how to animate these presets, how to animate these parameters, and just take a look at keyframes and how they work within After Effects. So we're going to be taking a look at basics of animation and types of keyframes. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Bye, guys.